Is it something with a train? En train de? No, not really. We are talking present tense today. Coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and I am here to teach you French with a smile. Okay, there is a weird way of saying things in French when we want to convey that we are in the middle of doing something. It is en train de. And yes, train means train. Yes, but it stops there. This is the equivalent of ing verbal forms, okay? So, if I am taking a shower right now, je suis en train de prendre une douche. Encore une fois, je suis en train de prendre une douche. Ensemble, je suis en train de prendre une douche. Excellent. This is very different to a habit, something we do all the time. And this is also one use of the present tense. It's not necessarily what I'm doing right now at this very minute. It is a habit, something, for instance, that I do every day. Tu prends une douche tous les matins. You take a shower every morning. Encore une fois, tu prends une douche tous les matins. Ensemble, tu prends une douche tous les matins. Yes, very good. Another example. This is how we can understand things better. We are looking at a man and he is dancing in front of our eyes. Il est en train de danser, regarde. He's dancing, look. Encore une fois. Il est en train de danser, regarde. Ensemble. Il est en train de danser, regarde. Very good, my friend. Now we are talking about this girl and she's taking dance classes every Wednesday night. Elle danse tous les mercredis soirs. She dances every Wednesday night. Encore une fois. Elle danse tous les mercredis soirs. Ensemble. Elle danse tous les mercredis soirs. Okay, you saw me, talking very loud with someone who was also talking very loud, and you are worried that we are fighting. And I reply, we are chatting, that's all. Nous sommes en train de discuter, c'est tout. Encore une fois, nous sommes en train de discuter, c'est tout. Ensemble, nous sommes en train de discuter, c'est tout. Very good. Again, if I use the present tense for habit, I will not use en train de. For instance, vous prenez le train pour aller au travail. You take the train to go to work. It is implied that this is a habit. Encore une fois, vous prenez le train pour aller au travail. Ensemble, vous prenez le train pour aller au travail. Very good job, my friend. We are admiring people who are painting a magnificent fresco on the wall. Ils sont en train de peindre une magnifique fresque. They are painting a magnificent fresco. Encore une fois, ils sont en train de peindre une magnifique fresque. Ensemble, ils sont en train de peindre une magnifique fresque. Very good. And there is some woman over there who was very talented and they are known to be excellent painters. So here I'm not using en train de because I'm not seeing them painting in front of my eyes. It's just an opinion. Elles peignent de jolis tableaux. They paint beautiful canvas. Encore une fois. Elles peignent de jolis tableaux. Ensemble, elles peignent de jolis tableaux. Very good! Excellent job! Congratulations, my friends! I'm available for one-to-one lessons. Link is below. And see you very soon on French with a smile. Bye-bye!